This August, Sessions with Brian Yamsuan on Billionario News Channel celebrates its first anniversary with a month-long tribute to original Filipino music, featuring the songs we love, the inspiring stories behind the extraordinary Filipino talents who continue to shape and keep OPM alive. Isang taon ng pagtuklas sa mga kwento sa likod ng musikang Pilipino, isang taon ng makabuluhang kwentuhan at kantahan, isang taon ng pagdiriwang sa husay, talento at galing ng Pilipino. Tuloy-tuloy ang tugtog, tuloy ang mga kwento, tuloy ang suporta sa OPM.
Diamond ring, it's a precious thing, and we never wanna lose it. It's like a favorite song that we love to sing. Every time we hear the music, we're in this love together. Got the kind that lasts forever. Together, and like berries on the vine, and sweet around the time. It's like rainy night under candlelight. We got a whole thing working out so right, and it's just the way we planned it. Tell you, we're in this love together. We got a kind that lasts forever. Don't you know we're in this love together? Like berries on the vine, and sweet around the time.
Magandang gabi everyone, di ba? Grabe. In love tayo ngayong araw to because siyempre, welcome once again to Sessions with Brian Yamsuan. Isa na namang gabi ng makabuluhang kwentuhan at kantahan. What a beautiful way to open the night with a timeless classic. Sometimes the greatest songs finds the right voice at exactly the right time. And that's what makes music so magical. One unexpected moment can create a classical that generations continue to love. Our guests tonight are known not only for their heartfelt songs but also for their incredible harmony, especially pag magkasama na. Yung harmony nila that they create together, grabe. They are real-life brothers whose musical journey began at home, inspired by the lessons of love of their late father. So stay with us because tonight we'll discover the stories behind the songs, the brotherhood behind the harmonies, and the music that continues to remind us what it truly means to choose someone, not just once, but every single day. Coming right up,
Mahal, pangako ko sa'yo. Ang nadarama ko sa song na yun ay i-assure mo yung minamahal mo na yung kaya mo lang ibigay, kung ano lang yung kaya mong ipangako, yun lang yung ipangako mo. Wag ka sanang mag-alinlangan, magtiwala ka.
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender juicy cheese dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron mang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat! Kids and tell!
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansang manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.
How can we teach? How can we give care? Where do we find entertainment? Where can we go? Without power, life as we know it stands still. That's why we are here, to power you. We power communities and industries with reliable and sustainable energy solutions that meet life's needs both today and tomorrow. We power life so you can enjoy it to the fullest. Abortus Power. We power you.
some artists make music to entertain. Others create music to tell stories. But for Project Romeo, every song is also a tribute. After the passing of their father Romeo, the brothers turned their grief into purpose, forming the duo as a way to honor his name and continue his legacy through music. Ladies and gentlemen, Project Romeo.
Mahal, pangako ko sa'yo ang iyong di mananatili. At kung sakaling malubay sa akin ay ibigay ang kalungkutan, pasensyahan mo na kung araw may di mayalay, pati ang buwan di masungkit, bituin ay magpaparam. Ngunit pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay tunay, araw-araw, lagi-lagi kitang pagsisilbihan. Wag ka sanang mag-alinlangan, magtiwala ka, pati buhay ko sa'yo'y ibibigay. Mahal, hanggang sa dulo ng buhay, ako pa rin ang iyong gagabay. Kahit
Pasensyahan mo na kung araw may di mayanay, pati ang buwan di masungkit, bituin ay mapaparang. Ngunit pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay tunay, araw-araw, lagi-lagi kitang pagsisilbihan. Wag ka sanang mag-alinlangan, magtiwala ka, pati buhay ko sa'yo'y bibigay. Mahal. Ito lang mga lahat.
What a heartfelt performance. Welcome to Sessions with Brian Yamsuan, Sean, and Louie Chito Bulio, also known as Project Romeo.
Po, sir.
Grabe.
Thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Thank you po.
Grabe talaga. You know what makes Ito Lamang even more beautiful is the story behind it. It wasn't just written as a love song, it was born from a real dream. Composer Fred Engay Jr. wrote it while hoping that he and his wife, after years of being civilly married, would one day finally exchange their vows in church. It's not just about saying I love you, it's about saying I chose you. Through every challenge, every prayer, and every season in life. Grabe talaga, di ba? Kamusta naman kayo, Sean and Louie? Okay ba?
Yun po, magandang araw. Ano naman, masaya po kami na nakarating po, nakatugtog po kami rito sa opportunity po.
Hindi, grabe. Mas masaya ako na nandito kayo talaga, di ba? Grabe talaga kasi, alam mo, first of all, congratulations. Ang dami ng taong kinikilig. Kaya nga, yung mga nanonood dito, kinilig talaga, umiyak. May umiyak din dito, di ba? At nag-propose habang pinapatugtog ang mga kanta nyo. But I want to start with something many people are curious to know. Project Romeo is a tribute to your father. He wasn't just your inspiration, he was your first music teacher. Tell us about Tatay Romeo. What kind of father was he?
Ano po siya, very Filipino na tatay na ano. Pero may something sa kanya na ayaw niyang maghiwalay kami na family. So kahit hindi ganun kalakihan yung sweldo ng work niya, basta malapit lang sa amin. So, in other words, ayaw niya mag-abroad.
Apo, may mga pagkakataon.
Kahit maraming opportunities for him.
Dumaan sa buhay niya na talagang mga ibang bansa. Gusto niya talagang makita at matanaw yung mga anak niya.
Pero since, ayun nga, gusto niya mas kasama niya kami. And very hands-on. Very strict na tatay.
Pero bago ang lahat, matanong ko lang, ano ba ang work ng daddy niyo before?
Madami po siyang pinasukan. Basta kilala ko po siya as driver. Naging may amo siya na Japanese din. Tapos alam ko naging driver din po siya ni Sir Manny Pacquiao po.
Uy, grabe, di ba?
Isa sa mga driver. Marami po kasi siyang driver.
Marami siyang pinagmaneho.
Ito naman, di ba? Driver siya. Siguro, paano niya kayo naturuan dun sa music?
Bata pa lang po kami, nakilala ko na siya na nagigitara po talaga sa bahay.
Binata pa po siya. Yun na yung hobby niya.
Gitara talaga.
Gitara, kumanta.
Narinig na rin po namin na sa mga friends po or sa mga tito namin na kilala daw siyang magaling magharana sa probinsya .
Di ba?
Siya yung kinukuha tapos ng mga friend niya tapos siya yung sinasagot. Opo.
Kung sino yung ipangliligaw mo, ang sasagot sa'yo, yung nililigawan nila. Di ba?
Mismo.
I read that your dad was actually the one who taught you how to sing second voice. And now, when you perform, does it feel like he's singing with you in some way? Parang nararamdaman niyo ba yung tinig ng inyong ama pagka kumakanta kayo?
Alala namin lagi na dahil sa pagiging strict niya noon, kapag may gusto kaming aralin na harmony, kailangan ayos na ayos yun.
Kasi daddy ko musikero din eh. So sa akin, parang nakita ko yung mga dynamics, lahat ng effort na ginagawa nila as musicians. So napasok ko yun, yung disiplina on how to do things, yung how to perform, how to look at the crowd, paano gumawa ng set list. Kasi minsan gusto mo yung gusto mo lang eh. Pero di mo tinitignan, kaya ba, maarok ba nila itong kakantahin namin, di ba? So, ganun din. So, atingin ko yung daddy nyo, dahil sa ginawa niya, kita nyo, ang linis ng tunog eh. Sobre, di ba? Yung strictness niya, pumasok in how you perform and how you interpret the song, kaya mas lalo namin nadarama. Damang-dama namin habang pinakikinggan namin yung kanta nyo.
Credits to Tatay.
Tatay Romeo.
Tatay Romeo, grabe talaga. Sean and Louie, if your father would watch you perform tonight and see how his name continues to touch millions of people through your music, what do you think he would say to the both of you?
Sa akin, personally, tingin ko mag-ano lang siya. Good job, nak. Ganun.
Yan. Ito naman, from the time na naisipan yung tahakin yung musika, what has your journey been like? Kamusta? Di ba kasi siyempre, una ko kayo napanood dun sa mga parang post nyo sa TikTok, sa YouTube.
Dreams there for those who sleep. Sailing takes me away to where I'm always could be.
Watching you live ngayon, sabi ko talagang totoo. Diba? Grabe. Ako alam niyo, pag may mga opportunity mapanood sila ng live, panoorin yun. Grabe talaga. Paano yung feeling nun? Yung journey yun?
Hindi ko rin
Sa Cavite ba yun?
Opo, Cavite. Doon po
sa
kasi
Cavite
kami
kayo, doon sa Carmona, di ba?
Opo.
Ako ano lang, fascinated lang ako sa idea na mag-record ng audio tapos i-edit ko siya doon sa video na yun. Parang simultaneously. Yun lang yung gusto ko mangyari na sobrang simple lang nun. Gusto ko lang ma-achieve na what if kumakanta tayo dito tapos malayo yung camera pero malinaw pa rin yung boses natin. Sige gawin natin. Mag-ano tayo ng phone. Tapos ang satisfying niya na di ba may yung after yung pag-edit, no, nilagay ko na pinatong ko na yung audio dun sa video. Yung nagsisync na yung natin. Ang ganda ng quality. Yun lang yung gusto ko nun. Napaka-simple lang nung goal na magawa ko lang yung editing na
Sa akin pang mina ng piano, biglado'y pilit nilaro.
Your songs, Paga, feel very personal, but it was a surprise to learn that many of them actually come from observing other people's stories. Ito yung kanta nyo na ito lamang. Yung kinanta nyo lang ngayon. Ano yung naging inspirasyon nyo?
Kasi po yung kantang ito lamang pala, sulat po siya ni Sir Fred Engay.
Oo.
Siguro yung take ko dun sa kanta niya, ang nadarama ko sa song na yun ay parang ibigay mo or assure mo yung minamahal mo kung sino ano man, na yung kaya mo lang ibigay, kung ano lang yung kaya mong ipangako, yun lang yung ipangako mo.
Mm-hmm.
And wala akong maisip na pinakamahalaga yung pangako is yung sarili mo.
Tama.
Sa kanya.
Kaya ito lamang.
Ito lamang.
Yun lang actually yung dinagdag namin dun eh.
Opo.
Ito lamang ang lahat. Yung
Sa
last,
dulo.
Yung last
yun lang.
part.
Wala nang iba, walang extravagant kasi lahat yun lilipas. Ano yun? Yung buhay talaga.
Ang bigat na ito
Bigat
lamang.
talaga. Totoo. Si Fred kasi, kababayan ko rin yan eh. Actually, he was one of the first guests ng Sessions with Brian Yamsuan. Nung nasa YouTube pa lang kami, YouTube channel, Facebook, pa lang kami. Doon pa lang yung avenue namin, wala pa sa Bilyonaryo. Si Fred was one of the first na i-guest ko.
Yeah.
So natanong ko talaga siya sa mga lahat ng bagay. And napakasayang feeling din na makikita mo na, siya lumikha ng kanta na to. And grabe yung interpretation nyo.
Totoo.
Yung collaboration yung dalawa, napakaganda. So, I'm really so proud of yung ginawa nyo talaga. Grabe. Ito, I've also heard that it's actually easier for the both of you to write when you're sad. Why do you think heartbreak or longing inspires creativity more than happiness?
Kasi, pag masaya ka, wala ka nang ibang sasabihin kundi masaya eh. Pag malungkot ka, pwede mo siyang gawing sarcasm.
Oo.
Every negative emotion, pwede mo siyang itago. Pwede ka nga kumanta ng malungkot na kanta sa melody na masaya eh. Mas ano kasi siya eh, mas touching or siguro mas makikiliti mo yung imagination ng tao. Kasi may tinatago ka eh. Parang ganun. So para sa akin, yun siya.
When we come back, Project Romeo returns to the stage with another beautiful performance. Only here on Sessions with Brian Yamsuan. A song you wish your father could hear you perform today.
Leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old. And his run to my instrument and his song is in my soul.
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender Juicy Cheese Dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron mang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat! Kids can tell!
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansak manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.
How can we teach? How can we give care? Where do we find entertainment? Where can we go? Without power, life as we know it stands still. That's why we are here, to power you. We power communities and industries with reliable and sustainable energy solutions that meet life's needs both today and tomorrow. We power life so you can enjoy it to the fullest. Aboitiz Power. We power you.
Tong hinintay, ilang buwan ko ring sinanay. Kausap ang sarili sa salamin. Ani mo'y naaaning. Kagarbo ang ating plinano, di na mapipigilan pa. At sa wakas, umabating ka na. Itong oras ng pagsuyong maiharap. Saksing lahat sila sa atin na ngayon'y pinag-isa ng may kapal. Di mapigil ang mamahal sa dambana. Hinahatid ka na sa akin na itay. Inaabot ang iyong kamay. Di man ganong kagarbo ang ating pipigilan pa. At sa wakas, umabating ka na. Itong oras ng pagsuyong maiharap. sa atin na ngayon'y pinag-isa ng may kapal. Sa ating sinumpaan. At sa wakas, umabot din ka na. Itong oras ng pagsuyong maiarap sa may altar. Siksing lahat sila sa atin na ngayon'y pinag-isa ng may kapal.
Grabe, yan ang OPM, di ba? Ladies and gentlemen, Project Romeo. Thank you, Sean and Louie, for the beautiful performance. Grabe.
Thank you po.
Yung title pa lang, di ba? Tugon simply means response or answer. But behind that one word is one of the most important moments in a person's life. The moment of waiting for the answer to a marriage proposal. It's that beautiful mix of hope, excitement, vulnerability that makes this song so special. Perhaps that's why it has become a favorite at weddings, even inspiring Project Romeo to release a special wedding version for couples walking down the aisle. Naku, maraming mag-aabang talaga yan. Because sometimes one simple response, one heartfelt yes, becomes the beginning of a lifetime of choosing each other. And that's exactly what tonight's theme, Songs That I Say I Choose You, is all about. Ayan, nandito na naman tayo sa ating playlist segment to, Sean, Louie, di ba?
Yes.
Siyempre, this is where we get to know our guest even more. So, let's talk about Tugon. Kumbaga, it's become one of the country's favorite wedding songs. Kumbaga, talagang...
Alam yun. Grabe.
Kanina lang may staff ako na malapit na rin ikasal nung napakinggan ni
Wow.
Tugon. Naiyak. Di walang halbiro. Naiyak siya dun sa ano.
Sorry po. Sorry.
Hindi mo na magsasorry ka, no?
Hindi, okay lang daw mag-sorry. Punta lang daw kayo sa wedding nila.
Ayun na.
So what's amazing is that you wrote about a marriage proposal before either of you had actually experienced one yourselves. Di ba? Tama ba yun?
Apa.
Tama. Sino bang bagong kasal dito?
Ako pa.
Yan.
Isang
diba?
taon.
Isang taon. So how were you able to write something so believable and so heartfelt na hindi nyo pa na-experience nung time na yun yung ganong feeling?
Parang talagang imagination po talaga eh.
Oh, talaga?
Oo,
And bago namin sulat yun, may event na nangyari na in-invite kami for proposal.
Yun yung naging reference natin nung yung nasaksihan natin sa proposal. Yun yung parang, sinulat lang natin yung nakita natin doon na kinakabahan yung lalaki habang wala pa yung babae. Nagtatago siya. Tapos inisip lang namin na what if kami yon yung nasa moment na yon. Dinagdagan na lang ng konting imagination.
Ito naman. So, ito na, di ba? Doon na tayo sa pagpili, proposal, pipiliin ka. So, what one song that parang perfectly says, I choose you? Anong kanta yun para sa inyo?
Ikaw. Yan. May narinig ako ikaw.
Ikaw di ba?
Ikaw,
ang tanglaw.
Parang ganun.
Parang
opo.
tugon.
Parang tugon.
Talaga eh. Okay lang po.
Pero sakto yun, di ba? Ikaw, ang tanglaw ng may kapal.
Opo, sakto.
Tugon
Yun nga,
sa
yan.
aking
Pagsunurin na nga
dasal.
natin sa lineup yun.
Ito naman, for you, what's the greatest wedding song ever written? Bukod dun sa sinulat niyo. Yan, di ba?
Ako, ikaw at ako ni Chanoy.
Ay, oo, tama. Ikaw at ako. Sige, sample nga.
Ikaw at ako, pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Diba?
Galing, galing. Oh,
Yun talaga yun eh.
Ganda,
Yung,
ganda.
diba, isipin mo yun, yung ganun lang, diba? Yung napakasimple ng lyric, pero yung the way he interpreted yung song,
Yes.
tagos eh.
Totoo.
Iba.
Saka di pag papakinggan mo siya live, diba? Iba eh.
Iba
Totoo,
talaga.
totoo.
Iba eh.
Totoo.
Ito naman, one song that reminds you of your parents' love story.
Ako, Through the Years.
Through the years po.
Through the Years.
Ayun talaga.
Kenny
Kasi
Rogers.
ayan ay
Rogers.
team song nila.
Oh.
Kaya mo ba tugtugin?
Kaya mo bang tugtugin yung ano?
Through the years, you've never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid.
I love the life we made.
Love the life we made.
And I'm so glad.
I'm so glad I stayed
Right
here with you through the years.
Ayun no.
Yun, di ba? Grabe. Project Romeo and Brian na to.
On the spot.
Di ba? Ito naman, a song that instantly makes you fall in love. Ano ba yun? Yung para pag narinig nyo, ay,
Pag-ibig
mapapaano.
talaga.
Oo, iba talaga yun.
Ako araw-gabi.
Pareho tayo. Paborito ka rin yung araw-gabi.
Uy, totoo. Parang di ka magkakamali sa araw-gabi.
Ayan, yan. Gusto ko marinig yan.
Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Grabe. Grabe. Di ba? Sobra.
Araw-gabi.
Araw-gabi talaga. Classic. Ito naman, di ba? Yung Project Romeo for the first time, what song, kumbaga, ano yung dapat namin pakinggan?
Ako yung trilogy na agad kung pakikinggan nyo kami. Simulan nyo sa Hi, Tugon, Ito Lamang. Para
Yes. Story po kasi yan.
Storya siya.
Yeah.
Ganun pala yun.
tawag namin doon trilogy.
Oo. Ayos yun ah. Sige, subukan ko nga yun mamaya. Ganun ang gagawin ko. Yun ang gagawin ko playlist ko.
Thank you
Para
po. Salamat po. Thank you.
Saka kayo din ha, lahat na nakikinig sa amin at nanonood sa amin. Live tayo ngayon sa Billionaire News Channel. Siyempre, simulcast tayo sa 94.7 sa mga nasa mga kotse nila o nasa kanilang mga lugar na wala naman TV. Pwede nyo kami mapanood doon. Na YouTube channel din na simulcast din sa Billionario. So, pakinggan nyo to. Grabe tong
Trilogy.
interview natin sa at saka yung kanta ng Project Romeo, di ba? Yung trilogy nila. Napakaliwanag ng mensahe na ipinarating. Minsan, di ba, hahatakin ka talaga dun sa purpose mo sa buhay. Di ba? Kung ano talaga yung calling mo. Kumbaga, kita mo, di ba? Ibinigay sa inyo tong talentong to. Yung boses nyo, makapagbigay ng inspirasyon, mensahe sa tao. Yun minsan yung nagtataka ka, ba't ka binigyan ng ganyan? Siguro may purpose to. Di ba? Hindi naman gumanda yung boses ko dahil genes to or whatever. Ibinigay sa ito dahil meron kang purpose na gagawin sa mga tao and you continue to inspire a lot of people by way of your music. So napakaganda nun. Napakahalaga nun para sa aming lahat. Ito naman, a song you wish your father could hear you perform today. Anong kanta yon na gusto nyo marinig niya?
Leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old. His run to my instrument.
yan din ang dinededicate ko sa tatay ko eh. Maaga ring namatay yung ama ko. So, actually, ang usapan namin dalawa, simple. Huwag ka magmusikero. Ayaw niya. Musikero siya, ayaw niya. Ayoko itong buhay na to para sa'yo. Gusto ko mag-aral ka. Usapan natin dalawa, pag may trabaho ka na, pwede ka na magmusikero. So baliktad. So nung nagkatrabaho ako, sabi niya, trabaho na ako, pwede na ako magmusikero. Pinayagan niya na ako.
Galing.
Ito naman, tanungin natin si Peter.
Ayan,
Kasi
si Peter.
diba ikaw, Peter, kasama mo si Sean sa si Louie. Anong feeling na pag nakikita mo na yung tao masaya pag napapakinggan yung mga music nila, di ba? So,
Ano po, before po, fanboy lang ako ng dalawa eh. Legit po, nanonood lang ako ng videos nila. Tapos nalaman ko, taga Cavite lang din po pala sila, Carmona. So pumunta ako sa cafe nila.
Oo, tapos banding na.
Opo.
Tapos musikero din ako, gano'n.
Opo.
Yun. Yun, sakto. Galing no, Peter. Ang galing no, ano.
Solid
diba?
yan si Peter.
Saan ba kayo pwedeng puntahan ng mga gigs? May mga bago. Siyempre, yung bago may... Meron matawag sa fans club nyo?
Opo, meron.
Groupmates, okay.
Kasi
yun.
project, kasama
We're on
namin sa
one
project.
Ayun,
So, saan kayo pwedeng, may mga social media accounts yan, di ba? So,
Yes.
ipopost na lang natin yung mga, saan nyo pwede i-follow sila, Sean and Louie, yung Project Romeo sa kanilang social media accounts. And then,
Siguro,
pati yung gigs nyo doon din ba?
Opo.
Makikita?
Opo. Una, syempre sa lahat ng streaming platforms, it's Project Romeo. Facebook, Project Romeo. Sa IG naman or Instagram, Project Romeo Official. Sa TikTok, Project Romeo Music. Sa YouTube, Project Romeo. And yung kung regular man, most of the time nasa cafe kami. Sa Romeo Must Be Smiling Cafe. Every Tuesday, meron kaming spontaneous lineup of artists.
Tsaka abangan nyo rin po pala kami pag nagka-gig kami ni Sweet Sir.
Yan, oo. Baka nyo kami. We'll be announcing that sa mga Facebook pages at sa social media accounts namin.
Yeah.
Sean and Louie, thank you for sharing your story with us. Salamat, grabe. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Grabe. It's inspiring to know that behind every harmony is a family, behind every lyric is a purpose. And behind every performance is a promise to keep your father's legacy alive. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Project Romeo. Grabe.
Hello po, thank you so much po. God bless po,
Solid
God
ditong
bless.
interview.
Salamat kong, thank you po sa opportunity.
Thank you din sa inyong lahat. Sean, Louie, thank you so much. Magbabalik po ang Sessions with Brian Yamsuan.
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender juicy cheese dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron pang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat. Kids can tell.
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansak manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.
How can we teach? How can we give care? Where do we find entertainment? Where can we go? Without power, life as we know it stands still. That's why we are here, to power you. We power communities and industries with reliable and sustainable energy solutions that meet life's needs both today and tomorrow. We power life so you can enjoy it to the fullest. Aboitis Power. We power you.
Just you and I, sharing our love together. And I know in time we'll build the dreams we treasure. We'll be alright. Just you and I. just you and I.
Just you and I.
Sharing our love together. And I know in time,
And I know in time,
we'll build the dreams we treasure. It will be alright. Just you and I. And I remember our first embrace, the smile that was on your face, the promises that we made. And now your love is my reward, and I love you even more than I ever did before. Just you and I.
just you and I.
We can entrust each other with you in my life.
With you in my life,
There'll never be another. We'll be alright. Just you and I. And I remember our first embrace, that smile that was on your face, the promises that we made. And now your love is my reward, and I love you even more than I ever did before. We made it, you and I.
Ayan, grabe. You know, one of the reasons you and I became such an unforgettable duet is because it almost wasn't one. Crystal Gayle, kasama ko si Gayle Blanco. Siyempre, ang sarap talaga kantayin ng mga classic love songs na yan. Di ba? Grabe. Di ba tama ba, Gayle? Tama ba yun? Tama ba?
Yeah, I love that song because I think that's what every great relationship should look like.
Yan.
It's never about one person shining brighter than the other. It's about bringing out the best in each other.
Yan.
Galing mo, Kap.
Grabe.
Ang galing mo na.
But wait, there's more.
Ang galing. Duet kami ng asawa ko mamaya.
Oh, but wait, there's more. Di ba? Parang, di ba, yung the real meaning of saying, I choose you.
Yeah, it's choosing to walk beside someone.
Yan, di ba?
To grow together and to create a harmony that's more beautiful than either one could make alone.
Grabe.
Perfect.
Palakpakan.
Come on, guys.
Palakpakan, guys. Palakpakan.
Audition ko na po yun.
Oh, grabe. Grabe talaga ang Gayle. Yan ang hugot. Tama ka naman dyan, Gayle, because in the end, love isn't about finding someone who completes your song. It's about finding someone who's willing to sing it with you.
Right.
Our next song beautifully captures that kind of love. Here's Making Love by our own Gayle Blanco.
Here, close to our feelings, we touch again,
we love again? Remember when we thought our hearts would never mend, and we're all the better for each other. There's more to love, I know, than making love. Here, no more confusion. We see our lives, we live our lives. Remember when we thought we never would survive, but now neither one of us is breaking. There's more to love, I know, than making love. Something's never changed. Something sometimes do. And now I'm feeling strong enough to let you in. And now neither one of us is breaking. And knowing now there's more to love than making love. And I'll remember you and making and I'll remember you. And I'll remember
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender juicy cheese dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron pang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat! Kids can tell!
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansak manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.
How can we teach? How can we give care? Where do we find entertainment? Where can we go? Without power, life as we know it stands still. That's why we are here, to power you. We power communities and industries with reliable and sustainable energy solutions that meet life's needs both today and tomorrow. We power life so you can enjoy it to the fullest. Aboitis Power. We power you.
What a beautiful night it has been. Tonight, we discovered that the greatest love songs aren't simply about saying, I love you. They're about making a choice to stay when life becomes difficult. So tonight, I hope you carry this thought with you. Every day gives us another chance to choose. To choose kindness over anger, family over pride, faith over fear, and love over everything else. Thank you, Project Romeo, for sharing your music, your story with us, and thank you to all of you for making us part of your Friday night. Good night, everyone. God bless, and we'll see you again next time on Sessions with Brian Yamsuan.
Now we're sitting all alone, watching people getting on with each other. They would dance across the floor, turning, moving back and forth. They were lovers. One more lonely night for me. I look up, what did I see? Sexy eyes, moving across the floor, couldn't want for more. Sexy eyes, sexy eyes, getting down with you, wanna move with you. Sexy eyes. I got up and took your hand, and we both began to dance to the music. Ooh, your magic has a spell. Didn't take long till we fell, and we knew it. No more lonely nights for me. This is how it's gonna be. Sexy eyes, moving across the floor, got me wanting more. Sexy eyes, sexy eyes, getting down with you, wanna move with you. Sexy eyes, sexy eyes, moving across the floor, got me wanting more. Sexy eyes, sexy eyes, getting down with you, wanna move with you. Sexy eyes. No more lonely nights for me. This is how it's gonna be. Sexy eyes, moving across the floor, got me wanting more. Sexy eyes, sexy eyes, getting down with you, wanna move with you. Sexy eyes, sexy eyes, getting down with you, wanna groove with you. Sexy eyes, sexy eyes, getting down with you, wanna groove with you. Sexy eyes. Ay, maraming salamat! Love you, Paranaque!
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender Juicy Cheese Dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron pang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat! Kids can tell!
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansak manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.
How can we teach? How can we give care? Where do we find entertainment? Where can we go? Without power, life as we know it stands still. That's why we are here, to power you. We power communities and industries with reliable and sustainable energy solutions that meet life's needs both today and tomorrow. We power life so you can enjoy it to the fullest. Aboitiz Power. We power you.